Welcome back to the HJO channel. This is the first time we're meeting. My name's Jamie and we're a family of 4 with a massive passion for cooking. We aim to show you everything we find fascinating about cooking in a whole wide and varied range. As per the whole of the UK, we're all in lockdown at the moment, and one thing the kids are really missing is spending quality time with their grandparents. So today we're going to do something special for them. We've set up a surprise Zoom cooking day with their nan. My mum, their nan, is going to come onto Zoom and she's going to guide them through step after step after step of making these things. And I think they're going to be thrilled. I'm not going to step in. I'm just going to let them do what they need to do. This could literally destroy my kitchen. It'd be worth a shot, wouldn't it? Let's go and see how it went. So today they're going to be cooking all-spiced apple muffins. This is made out of oat flour. So at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to make that oat flour just out of generic oats you've got in your home. So let's get on with it.
Add 2 cups of oats.
Make it rain!
Turn it on to full.
Oh, look at those oats.
This is oat flour.
We've got a special guest that wants to cook with you.
Me.
Okay, maybe you. You might be here.
Me.
Should we find out who it is? You ready?
Yeah.
Gotta look at the computer screen. Ready? Steady. Who's that?
Nanny.
Nanny's forgotten that she's on mute.
What are we going to cook? Some apple and oat muffins. Has Daddy got all the ingredients ready for you?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, we need to get Daddy to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. We need a cake tin with muffin cases.
Look, it's got your favourite colour in it. Yes, me. I wanted
What's this one?
yellow. I love yellow.
No.
Blue, the blue. Green, that's my favourite.
And that one?
Blue. But blue is my favourite too.
Yeah, they're all your favourite colours. Now we need some oat flour that hopefully Daddy prepared earlier for you. We need 1.5 cups of oat flour. And we need 1 cup of rolled oats. Okay, so in a medium bowl, we need to place, you've got a medium bowl?
So,
Yeah.
voila!
Wow.
So now we need the 1.5 teaspoons of nutmeg.
There you go.
Put it in there then.
Table.
What's that then?
Yeah, in that bowl.
In that bowl, yeah, well done.
1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon.
That's cinnamon.
And we need 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Yay! Into the mixture. And we need 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we need to mix all that together.
Lips are crazy.
What's it smell like?
It makes us
Cinnamon.
sudden.
Does it smell like cinnamon?
Yeah.
Now, what we need to do is in a bowl, we need to have 8 fluid ounces of milk. And we need to crack 1 egg. the mix. This is where it gets mucky. And we need 3 fluid ounces of maple syrup.
Oh, I know my fingers.
And we need 3 fluid ounces of oil.
Pour the oil in.
And we need some vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now mix all this together.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Then we've got to pour all this liquid into the dry ingredients.
Mix this two together.
Then we've also got to add our chopped up apple. Apple.
Add the apple.
So now we've got to mix it all together like a batter.
Mix, mix, mix.
Then, after we've done that, we've got to divide them into these.
Nanny, the round.
Oh, the roundy bits.
Yeah, so you can put them in. Pour the batter in. Ah, Zoe spilled some.
To put them in the oven, haven't we? For 20 minutes.
20 minutes later. It smells good. Yummy!
So we love you. Well, there you go, guys. I think the kids love that, and they produced some pretty good muffins, to be fair to them. I mean, the kitchen took a battering, but it didn't take as big of a battering as I thought it was going to do. A special thanks to my mum. She was amazing throughout. We're going to put the recipe down in the description below. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll see you next time.